Hi everybody, in today's session we're going to learn more about how to post the data from the phone from the simple form to the database. As now you see, now we have the simple registration form that we have styled by using the CSS. As you see, the red color, just we are styled from the field set, and as pixel of the 50 we just see located at the bottom, as well as you see the width, that's the width of the form, as well as we have the padding left of the 20 pixel. Now now as you see the label, as you see the color of the label is white. As you see the first name, last name, username, password, that is a first that's the labels with their color, as well as the font size of the 20 pixel. You see, as also see the font family, that's outer style by using the CSS, as well as we have heading. The moving ones, as you see, the background color will be the last one. Also, as you see, we have the padding top 5 pixels from the words top, as well as button bottom have 5 pixels. Now as you see, let us see our last style, that's button. As you see, the color of the button is blue. As you see, the button look like there's text color blue, background color will be the blacks, as background color is black now, as well as the border radius is 10 pixels. As you see, they show the sign cycle, that's a 10 pixels, as well as we have the padding top, the padding bottom, whatever the case. Also we have the input, the type D input, for instance, as you see the done, that's colors black. As you see the font size, it will be the 20 pixels. Now come to see the simple connection by using the PHP that helps us to pull or to push the data from the form to the database. As you see the connection, we have the as you see, this is a simple connection, as you hope you can understand in simple way. As we see, we have the localhost, that's the local server, we have the root, we have the passwords, we have the DB name. As you see, the name of DB, in order to post our detail, we must create this the database called RegiDB. Now go in a XAMPP, create your database called RegiDB. Now create. Good. As you see, now we have our database called RegiDB. Now as you see, we have some attributes. We have the first name, we have the last name, username, and password. Now we are just making the connection so as to connect those information that we have, as also put our condition to check if they have a problem. If no problem, now we're going to insert all data into the table called the RegiDB. Now let's create our table called the RegiDB inside the Regi database. Now see, the first attribute will be the ID, that will be the primary key. As you see in our list, as you see, we have the first name, last name, username, and the password. Now come back in our table. Now we see the first attribute will be the ID, the default will be the ID. The second name will be the first name, and this first name will be the type of the voucher, as well as the third will be the last name, and the text will be the voucher, as well as the username, as well as the virtual. Also have the password. The last attribute will be the password. Also that's the virtual. Now let us specify the length of this attribute per each. The password will be 8. The username will be maybe 20. The last name will be also 20. Also the first name will be maybe the first name will be 20 as well as, and the primary ID will be 3. The ID will be the 3, and this the primary key. The ID will be the primary key. Let us specify the primary key of this admin. So if you're first time to watch this video, please, if you miss or face some problem, please leave your comments below. Write your problem that you face it. I can help you via the comment below. But make sure you like and do subscribe this channel, EDakho TV, so for easier to get the notifications daily and daily. So as you see now, we have done in table. Now we save our table. Now as you see now, we have our table. We have the attributes of ID, first name, last name, username, as well as the password. So come back in our form now. As you see how our forms look like, the first attribute will be the first name, the last name, as well as username and the password. So from there, let's try to input some item, to try to post some item, so as to see. Let the first name be the Juma, and the last name will be Ali, and the username may be that I write student. And the password, you can put your own password. Yes, I'm writing this is my password. So after all, when you end up your password, now click on submit. Wow, as you see now, is the message successful, means that your post item goes to the database. As you see now, success. Each and everything is done well. Now let us check in our database to see if we have those values coming from the form. Now as you see, this is our table. Let us refresh. Make sure you refresh it to your database. Wow, as you see now, everything is very correct. I'll see the first name, last name, so on. So let us try another attributes. Let that be maybe Asha, and the second name will be Bakari. Asha Bakari will be the student, as well as let I change the password. I change our password. As you see now, we submit. Okay, successful as well as thanks. As we now everything is work correct. Let I go to see how it look on the database. Go in our database to see how. You must refresh before as to see the changes. Now to refresh it, as you see, wow, we have Asha Bakar, that's the student and the admin. So thanks for watching EDakho TV. Proceed to keep and to visit this EDakho TV for more details about how to connect the form with the database, and how to post your detail from the form to the database. And if you have the question, please leave your comment below, and make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Meet you on the next video. Please share this video with your friend, so as to be the first one to get more and more notifications. Have the nice preparation. See you on the top.